Welcome back to MVP Auto Update Hub. Into the house and speed, precision, and unrelenting power. BMW's S1000RR has always been a beast on the track, and for 2025, it's sharper, faster, and more refined than ever. So, what makes the latest BMW S1000RR a true superbike legend? Stay tuned as we dive deep into its specs, features, and performance. The 2025 BMW S1000RR retains its aggressive, razor-sharp design but now features enhanced aerodynamics. BMW has fine-tuned the winglets, providing even more downforce at high speeds, keeping the bike stable through corners. The sleek, lightweight fairings, signature asymmetric LED headlights, and a sculpted fuel tank make this bike look as fast as it rides. Under the fairings lies a 999cc inline-4 engine, pushing out a staggering 205 horsepower and 113 Nm of torque. BMW's shift cam technology optimizes performance at all rev ranges, delivering brutal acceleration and a top speed of nearly 300 km/h. Whether on the track or open roads, this machine is built for pure adrenals. Segment 3. Elect, Digital Dash, Riding M. BMW has packed the 2025 S1000RR with cutting-edge electronics. A 6.5-inch TFT display provides crisp visuals, while multiple riding modes, Rain, Road, Dynamic, and Race Pro, ensure perfect handling in every condition. Plus, features like dynamic traction control, wheelie control, and launch control make it a tech lover's dream. Handling is where the S1000RR truly shines. The revised chassis and updated dynamic damping control (DDC) suspension provide unmatched stability. The lightweight aluminum frame and Brembo braking system ensure razor-sharp control, making every twist and turn a thrilling experience. With all these upgrades, the 2025 S1000RR is priced around $19,000, competing directly with the Yamaha R1, Ducati Panigale V4, and Kawasaki ZX-10R. But with BM's legendary engineering, this bike stands out as the ultimate track weapon. So, is the 2025 BMW S1000RR the best superbike out there? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to MVP Auto Update Hub for more thrilling automotive updates. Until next time, ride safe and stay fast.